हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम क्लास 10th का मैथ्स का फर्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे, दैट इज़ रियल नंबर। ओके, तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ दैट की व्हाट आर रियल नंबर्स। ठीक है, इन रियल नंबर्स वी कैन इंक्लूड इंटीजर्स प्लस रेशनल नंबर्स एंड इरेशनल नंबर्स। ठीक है, व्हाट आर इंटीजर्स? इन इंटीजर्स वी कैन इंक्लूड नेगेटिव डिजिट्स, ठीक है, 0 एंड पॉजिटिव डिजिट्स, यानी -2, -3, -4, -1, 0, +1, +2, these type of digits we can include in integers. And rational numbers, these are of P upon Q form numbers. Okay, just like 1/2, 2/5, etc. Right? And next one is irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers? These are of √2, √3, pi. These type of numbers are irrational numbers. यानी कि real numbers are those numbers in which we can include integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay. Now in this chapter our first topic comes, that is Euclid division lemma. Euclid डिवीजन लेम्मा. ठीक है, दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेम्मा, हियर आर two positive integers a and b. A and b, two positive integers, and there exist unique integers q and r, a, b, q and r. ठीक है, the relation between these four is a is equals to bq plus r. This a is dividend, b is divisor, q quotient and r remainder. But here is one condition for r also, that is r values is lie between 0 and b, but r can be also equal to 0. Okay, is it clear? Yani a is equals to pq plus r. This is the equation of Euclid division lemma. Okay, now we will see question on this basis. Our first question is, question number 1 is, find the HCF of 455 and 42. We have to find out HCF of these two. ठीक है, we can find HCF by other methods also, but here we have to find out HCF from Euclid division lemma. Okay, you have to use this formula in your board exams. ठीक, how can we do this? We can do this question on the basis of a is equals to bq plus r, where 455 is a and 42 is b. Okay, now a is equals to bq, b into q plus r. We have to product from a digit here, and the remainder we have to write down here. Okay, so we can product here from 10, then we will get 420, and if we will add 35 in 420, we will get 455. ठीक है, for next step, this one will be your a and this one remainder will be your b value. Okay, यानी 35 into 1 plus 7 should be here, then we will get 42. Okay, now next one, 35 is equals to 7 5 ja 35 plus 0. Yani we have to do this procedure. When we will get remainder 0, we will stop this process and we will get our answer here, that is the HCF. Okay, right? Now we will see another question. ठीक है, the question is, show that, question number 2, you have to show that every positive integer is of the form, positive even integer is of the form 2q, यानी कि even integer is of the form 2q, and odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. Okay, we will prove this one. ठीक है, as we know a is equals to bq plus r. Okay, here 2q यानी b is equals to 2 and we know when b is equals to, what can be the values of r? R can be 0, r can be 1, but r cannot be equal to 2 because r is always less than b. R cannot be equal to b. So here we have two values of r. ठीक है. Now if r is equals to 0, then a is equals to 2q. If r is equals to 1, then a is equals to 2q plus 1. Okay, this is divisible by 2, right? But this is not divisible by 2, right? So it is proved that for an even positive integers we get form of 2q. For odd integer we can get the form of 2q plus 1. This is proved. Okay, and we can see one another question on the same basis. Show that any positive odd integer, question number 3, odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. We have to show this. Okay, here b is equals to 4, so r is equals to 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now if r is equals to 0, then a is equals to 4q, r is equals to 1, a is equals to 4q plus 1, r is equals to 2, a is equals to 4q plus 2, r is equals to 3, a is equals to 4q plus 3. For this one and this one, these both are divisible by 2, so these cannot be odd, these are even. Okay, so we will exclude these both, we will include this one and this one. So it is proved for odd integer we get the form of 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. Okay, this is proved. Okay, now our next question is example number 4. We have to find out HCF of 420 and 130. Okay, we can do the question on the basis of Euclid division lemma, right? Now 420 is A, that is equals to B, यानी 130 into quotient plus remainder, यानी 13 3s are 390, 130 3s are 390 plus 30 should be here. Now 130 is equals to 30 4s are 120 plus 10, right? Now 30 is equals to 10 into 3 plus 0. Now 10 will be your HCF. Okay, so students, this we have completed this Euclid division lemma today and application of on the basis of Euclid division lemma. Now we will continue this chapter tomorrow. Thank you, class.